secret agent of the valley. Before anything happens in valley, the ravens already know. Gliding in slow circles, they read the land the way others read tracks and scent. They spot the elk slipping through timber, the grizzly waking, the subtle shift of wind that hints at opportunity. They even guide wolves toward what the cold is hidden and take their share when they find it. It isn't luck, it's awareness, a practiced way of seeing. And there's a lesson tucked behind those dark, knowing eyes. Life goes better when you watch before reacting, listen before assuming, and notice the signals others rush past. Sometimes wisdom is simply paying attention